I just picked up the couch. Just really just drinking pickle juice in a gas station. I'm literally just peeing right now.
Holy shit! Just taught me she just ate fucking 3 tacos in a truck.
The rug down, the couch down. Good morning. Okay, so it's currently February 1st and today Alyssa and I, we're gonna be going and driving 4 hours to Las Vegas to pick up a couch. Why are we doing it? I don't really know, but I found a really good couch on Facebook Marketplace and I really wanted to go get it. Why am I buying a used couch? Because it's a lot cheaper and I don't want to kill my bank account, even though I'm already killing my bank account because this couch is already $1,400 used. But we're not gonna talk about that, and I had to rent a truck for like $200. This couch better be worth it. It's a fat couch. Currently, we got our mattresses by the windows and we're having a little slumber party.
This is our first sleepover ever.
Wow, which is so weird. I know, you don't have to tell me. Jeez. Let's open up these windows. Wow, so pretty. Bust it. Okay, let me do a little outfit of the day for y'all. This is it. We're going for like a green theme. We got the green dunks on, the green sweatpants from Brandon Melville, this halter from Princess Polly, and then this flannel from Kiss the Rainbow Shop. But that's the fit for today. So it's currently 7:01, but I'm gonna pack my bag. So I'm gonna be switching my Louis bag to this one because it's really cute. I just got it from Shein. It's like got a little bit of bears on it. It's like, wow, she's so cute. She's so artsy. What does she hold in there? Right? No? Okay. Where are my keys? Oh, they're on the floor. But other than that, I'm ready to go. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir. All right. Starbucks.
Oh, how many times did
Three,
you hear? Okay.
Alyssa. Jeez! Ah! Starbucks. Woo! We're so fun.
How come you didn't fucking do it? I'm just a little dog. I don't have no brain.
Starbucks. All right. See you there. Alyssa's like, Ma, you got to stop doing the UK accent or whatever the fuck accent I'm doing. She's like, I'm starting to do it. And I'm like, it's so hard not to do it when you surround yourself with people that have a London accent. It's just so addicting. But currently with the Starbucks drive-thru, let me know. Ew, that was gross. Okay, no, let me redo that. Let me know what you think of our accents.
I'm not doing that accent.
Let me do it. Let me do an accent.
No. Just kidding, do it. Just kidding, don't.
Hi, can I get a venti iced pistachio latte with oat milk? Yeah, and then can I get a pesto sandwich? And then can I get a sausage and cheddar as well? Actually, can I make that too?
Alrighty, so that's a venti iced pistachio with 3 pumps vanilla added, light ice. Venti iced green tea latte, 2 pumps vanilla with oat milk. A turkey bacon sandwich and 2 sausage, egg, and cheddar.
Yes.
Sure, use my card.
Oh, fine. This bitch is rich. She's paying.
So if you guys want some really good satin mask, super nice, lots of colors, make sure to check out Hey It's Fam scrunchies.
Oh no, my sister made them. Wow, so pretty. Fits so well, guys. No coronavirus here.
Oh yeah. Big fan. Go buy.
Tap, and wrist on little, waist on thinner.
Sterling is going to devour.
Okay, Sterling.
Which one do you want
Can you go
first?
sit back there? Oh my god. Road trip! Alright, the time is currently 11:10 and we're gonna be there about 40 minutes, 50 minutes. Alyssa has been driving this whole time. I'm so proud of her.
I'm so proud of you too.
Apparently this is the longest she's ever driven, but wow, there's snow? What the heck? This is my first time ever like driving to Las Vegas. I really need to pee and I was like, just stop on the side of the highway, and she's like, no. She's like, that's dangerous. And I was like, why? And what'd you say?
That people get killed on the side of like these Las Vegas like highways all the time. Like that's a known thing.
I did not know that.
Like, well, I think it's especially at night. Like people's cars will like break down and then people will get murdered, or like you'll pull over and like, yeah.
Okay, I was just gonna pee in a cup if we couldn't, but we found a brake stop.
So currently, I'm gonna pee.
Hey, how's it going? I'm literally just peeing right now. You better stop! Anyways, I just peed. It was a really nice pee.
Did you pee on your shoes at all?
No, not at all. I did a little good squat. But yeah, let's keep going to Vegas. Is that a real roller coaster? I want to go on. I love roller coasters. Do you? Yes. I love amusement parks. I mean, if you guys are too scared to go on roller coasters, I feel you, but just do it. I am terribly afraid of heights, but I'll force myself to do it. The feeling when you're like on it and you're like sucked, but then after you do it, you're like, oh, that like was awesome. And like that's what I remember in my head, so I force myself to do it like that, even though I don't want to in the moment. Motivation. My Monday motivation.
Sterling's a little truck dog. He's a little passenger seat dog.
He's been farting up a
storm. He's stinky right now.
We're almost at the place that we need to go pick up the couches at. I hired someone off of TaskRabbit to help carry it, but it's so convenient here that like, oh, wait, is it available in Canada? Maybe, but I didn't know that. But I heard from like a bunch of people in the US to use TaskRabbit if you need like cleaning done, grocery runs, help moving. It's so easy. It's like on an app. I wish this was sponsored by TaskRabbit, but it's not. Anyways, so he's just waiting in the lobby. He just texted me, but we're like 3 minutes away. Got there just on time at 12, which is crazy because I thought we'd either be late or early, but 12 o'clock, so good. Even got a little pee break in. I literally just spent this whole time reading all my comments and like DMs and replying to comments. So yeah, if you guys haven't commented anything before, comment something down below because I actually do read every single one of my comments. Fit check. Oh, I also put on these sunglasses from Shein because I just wanted some accessories to match more outfits. So I bought these for really cheap and they actually look super cute.
This one?
I'm gonna, does your truck fit here? I mean, not your, but I think the truck should fit in here. Yeah? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, yeah. All right, so we just picked up the couch and strapped it all in. I'll show you when I'm home, but this is what it looks like. It fills up the whole truck. It's huge. Hopefully it'll be fine on this drive back, but that was a long process because the payment, I can't do PayPal or like anything like that because Canadian bank account, but figured it out, did a little wire transfer situation, but we're headed home. She's having problems with shipping her stuff out from UPS. UPS, you're literally the worst carrier. I mean, you gave me good prices, but your contact team is the absolute worst. You know who I love though? FedEx, you have my heart. And DHL, y'all are real good. Currently, we're stopped to get gas. We're gonna go get gas station snackies. All right, let's hit it with the Cheez-Its. Extra cheesy Cheez-Its. I think I'm gonna fuck with that. Ooh, some Cheetos. The crunchy Cheetos kind of are really good. A little drink. Cranberry grape. Ooh, that could smack. Ooh, cheese. A cheese stick for $1. Oh my God, this is so good. Everyone calls me nasty. I'm gonna get them. Pickles. Okay, and then we're gonna get a turkey breast. Did I get too much food? Probably. And chocolate. Where's chocolate? Where's the arrow? Ugh, they don't have arrow here. Kind of makes me sad. Ooh, could get up with some M&M peanuts. Hey guys, little haul. Holy crap, I got so much food. This is really just drinking pickle juice in a gas station. Currently at the ATM, trying to get cash out. I'm just gonna hit every ATM I can. Because we're buying a lot of furniture today and it's so hard to like direct deposit to people. Money.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a little haul of what I got today. So first I got some Cheez-Its, but the extra cheesy ones. Sterling, get out of my face. You know what I mean? He's always got to be all up in my business. Then I got these pickles because they're so, Sterling, they're not for you. Then I got some pickles. I got some crunchy Cheetos. I got 2 packs of M&M's, peanuts. I got some cheese and some sausage, a turkey breast wrap with chipotle sauce, and some cranberry grape juice. Time to eat.
Hi. It's a little bit later. It's dark outside now, but I had the fattest freaking nap in the truck while she was driving. Thank you, Awisha. But now the chaos starts. It's currently like 5:45. The cleaner comes at 6:30 to mop the whole entire house so that we can put the carpet down, and then the movers come at 7:30 to put the couch in, and then we gotta drive to go pick up a 7-foot mirror to put right here, and then also the dining room table. And then tomorrow morning the coffee table comes, so furniture is coming in. But I just got some packages and I wanna show y'all what I got. I got a candle making kit from Philosophy. I guess they want me to make candles. This should be exciting when I'm bored. I don't want to open it up because there's like confetti paper in it or whatever. They also sent over the Amazing Grace shampoo, bath, and shower gel, the Amazing Grace firming body emulsion, and I think like a perfume. What's crazy is like I used to be obsessed with this in middle school, and I used to buy my teachers it and stuff because they loved it. And now they're sending me it, which is so cool. And then I also got a PR package from ColourPop, and they just sent this line called So Juicy, and I love ColourPop. They're super affordable and they have super like good products, and everything's made in LA. They brought me out to their factory once, and it was so cool to see how everything was like made, shipped, and even the packaging is made in LA, which is super cool. But they have super nice products and everything's affordable. You just have to order it online though, which is the downfall, but fast shipping and everything. I feel like this is sponsored by them, but it's really not. I'm gonna try their lippy stick. This is in the shade Dreamsicle, like this. And then I'm gonna throw a little bit of So Juicy gloss on top. And this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. Okay, and then I also got some things from Shein that came in the mail. They didn't send me it. I literally bought it myself. I didn't realize that I accidentally bought the same shoes twice. These like heels that I got, you can kind of see them, but I guess I'll just give them away to someone. But I also got these white boots because I have black Doc Martens, and then I just wanted white ones, but I didn't want to pay for Doc Martens, and these look cute enough. But yeah, that's what I got. Now I'm gonna like move the boxes in a corner or something so that when the lady comes, she can clean it. We're moving everything.
instrument. Bust out. Anyone else have this problem? Their ears literally bleed no matter what earrings they wear.
What?
Yeah, but these piercings have been in here for like 18 years.
Yeah, that's not right.
So the floors just got mopped and now we're gonna put the rug down because someone's coming in like 30 minutes to bring the couch in. All right, we got the rug down. Oh my God, this is huge. I love this. And it's gonna catch the echo a lot better. I mean, there's still a bunch of echo, but I feel like we need more rugs, which I'll get on ordering. But we got the floors mopped, so nice. This house is a no-shoe house. I do not get how Americans just wear shoes everywhere. Yesterday, my feet were literally black from walking around, but I'm so glad that the floors are clean because I hate wearing shoes in the house, but it felt so dirty yesterday. But I think now I wanna bring this TV out to the living room just so we can like watch shit for now. Right, Alyssa? Yeah. Okay. Holy shit! This looks so pretty. Okay. Well, hires movers does it myself. The bottom. Oh, there. She is beauty. I gotta fold this cardboard somehow so that it will fit in my recycling bin. Good job, Mai. And that wasn't in focus. Currently it is 10:24 and we got the mirror in. Oh my God, it looks so good. The rug down, the couch down. We got the dining room table in, but it's like broken. So the girl's gonna come fix it tomorrow, but I love it. Reminds me of the Kim Kardashian one, insert on screen, but not the Kim Kardashian one because I didn't pay that much for it. But if you can see, okay, brace yourselves. It is really badly messed up and cracked all around here, if you can see, but the lady that made it is gonna come fix it tomorrow. It's fine. The coffee table comes tomorrow, which is gonna be in tomorrow's vlog. I get quite a bit done tomorrow. I need to find chairs for this. I don't know what aesthetic I'm going for. There are so many options. Need to figure that out. And then it'll be little decorating stuff like pompous grass, little nightstands, you know, all the cute little decorations, but I don't even know where I wanna start. So tomorrow the coffee table comes, the thing gets fixed, the Wi-Fi comes. I either wanna do my bathroom tomorrow, which I feel like that's gonna be boring, but I probably should get it done, or the kitchen. I don't know what I want to do though. I don't know what I want first, food or... All right, tomorrow we're doing the kitchen, but I'm gonna go return this car right now, so that's what we're gonna do. I ate some Taco Bell. Oh, and we gotta clean this.
Oh, you brought it with you?
Yeah, I was driving the truck and just munching.
I can't believe you eat shit like that. She ate like mac and cheese the other day while she was driving, like a cup and spoon. She's telling me she just ate fucking 3 tacos in a truck.
Well, I feel like I'm filming a reality TV show. But tomorrow we'll clean that up as well. But I need to find a rug for the closet room and also a mirror, because those are like the 2 main things, because it echoes way too loud in that room and it's like a filming room and that can't be it. But oh my gosh, we also gotta get some Windex tomorrow, but this mirror is beautiful. This is like the off-brand version of the Anthropologie Primrose mirror, but I got it for $9.99 and I think the Anthropologie one is $1,700, and I just got it here in LA and it looks about the same to me, and I saved $700, which this mirror's already really freaking expensive, but you know what, it's super cute. So I don't know what I want to do with the sides. I think maybe put like a little pampas grass right there. The color scheme is like white, you know what I mean, and I mean the countertops and the kitchen is like gray, but I think we can make it work, Alyssa.
I think so too. You know how we can incorporate gold? We should put like the hanging plants in like gold pots.
Yeah,
like all the little decor things, gold.
And then I think I want to get more mirrors, one right here and one right there, just open up the space. I ordered a TV to fit here, and then I also ordered one of those mounts that can come out so it can come out all the way, and a surround sound bar. This couch is so fat, I love it. I feel like it's gonna be able to house a lot of people. I'm excited. Are you excited, Alyssa?
I'm excited, I'm just fat tired.
Yeah, we gotta drive 30 minutes. I'm gonna put that in. All the people from London, please rate her accent. We gotta go drive 30 minutes to drop off the truck and then pick up my car. I didn't drive, but we drove like 500 miles today. This car only gave me 200 miles and every mile is an extra 30 cents. So I'm paying a lot of money today, but it's okay. We got a lot of the main things done. I don't really need to buy that much furniture anymore. It's just decorations and like side tables. But other than that, like, that was super easy to finish. I love how this place doesn't have a lot of wall space, because that is something that takes a lot of work. Honestly, barely had to buy any furniture for this house just because it's such like open concept.
All right, let's go drop off my car.
Ooh, look at Lissa. She can do big boy work. Pink and yellow. I actually love those colors. You look like pink lemonade.
Ew.
All right.
Bye.
Put the key in here. Scramble up the numbers. Woo! Good job. Bye, Felicia. So basically, I lost the aux to this car, so I have to go buy a new one. But until then, acapella with my. I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talk about. Cause you were so excited for me. I got my driver's license. I'm kidding. This shit. I'd be the best friend you fall in love with. In the end, we be laughing. Whoa!
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.